Good morning, friend. Myself, Dr. Annapur SC, Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund, District Satara in Maharashtra. Today, I am going to present my new topic regarding how to search the e-thesis on Shodhganga. Shodhganga is nothing but the e-thesis ETD platform, which is initiative by Implement under UGC and MHRD, where all Indian theses are uploaded and which are very useful for getting knowledge through this platform. Now I will going to start. First of all, you have to go the Google, and after that just enter the Shodhganga. Once you have entered the Shodhganga, you will get inside Shodhganga a reservoir of Indian thesis implement. This is the authentic site of this platform. Then click to that web page. You will get this web page to you, and here are all Indian theses are archived in electronic form. It means that it means that soft copy base. Anyone can download it, share it, and get the knowledge free of cost without paying a single money. You have to it is a search box, advanced search, subject search, Google search, all are facilities are provided here, and remaining options shows various information regarding it. Now when we go to ahead, we will look that these are the all Indian universities and where we can find the thesis regarding as per the university. Okay, when you will click to show all universities, you will get that all the universities, how many, the green color shows that the number of uploaded by the particular university thesis, and in this way here as number shows, and these are the university. Suppose if you want to Ahmedabad University, there are 6 theses are uploaded which is shown in green color. Then go to Ahmedabad University. You will get the next window where you can find the thesis of which uploaded by this particular university. At present only we look that only 6 are available there, and then you will get Ahmedabad University 6 community homepage, and once you go below you will find that these related thesis you can find. It is also year completed, when these are completed, language, as per language wise you can select. Suppose I would like to big data analytics related discover keyword, and related one thesis you can show that, and you can find the thesis of big data related. Okay, this is the thesis big data, developing big data analytics architecture for spatial data, 30 June 2020. On this date it is uploaded. It is the name of researcher Shah, and it is a guide. In this way this metadata has created here. Once you click here, you can find the detailed information regarding it, title, research, keyword, and below all the thesis you can find them. One is title as per our print form thesis which are uploaded here, and when we view or open, it can be open to you. Okay, suppose I want to see the title, then you will find the only title Okay, this is the title page of this thesis. Okay, copyright वगैरह, all these information which are mentioned in the title page which can find here. Okay, suppose if you want to see first chapter, then all pages will be appear here. It is a only need to internet connectivity, and okay, 30 pages are included in chapter 1, that is named introduction, and when you can go below, all pages you can find here. The benefit of this platform is that you can download from here. All the thesis you can download without any restriction. It is totally public domain platform. You can print it, you can download it, you can share it for your research purpose, academic purpose. In this way, I hope that you have get an idea regarding the Shodhganga platform, ETD, Shodhganga ETD, which is initiative by MPNet Ahmedabad under the UGC. Okay, thank you very much.